Isn't it beautiful? The sound of your destruction!
His eyes turned
Floor.
and from his guts the earthworms spread.
Don't cry, my little star. I'll always be right here in your heart.
I need an ambulance right now. We're at the theater. There's been an accident on stage and she's not moving. There's so much blood.
Don't worry, little one. She's safe with us now.
Trembling hands, they cleaned his and saw the soul of those eyes.
Your mother is very strong, little one. She's resting now, and we are doing everything we can to help her heal. I have the results right here. It seems your mother is going to make a full recovery.
Oh, thank you. I was so worried.
He walks again with lighter steps. The pain remains, but not real.
Thank you. I know it's hard to witness such perfection, but try to contain your jealousy. This award is mine. It's a shame you couldn't make it to the ceremony. But don't worry, I brought the trophy right to you.
Your victory is hollow.
You're gonna pay for what you did! Insolent child. I defeated you once, I'll do it again!
His belly grew, his breath grew tight. The storm was brewing deep inside. He cried in pain, he scratched the floor. So bugs and worms began to
Thank you all. This means everything to me.
Unit engaged at the theater. We have multiple suspects confirmed inside. Requesting immediate backup.
His belly grew.